Okay, I'm going to go over how to complete Tuesday's morning work in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go over last week's morning work, and then you will finish the second problem on your own. So it says the table shows the number of hot dogs, excuse me, and drinks Mr. Allen sold at his vending cart on 5 days last week. Mr. Allen sold each hot dog for $3 and each drink for $2. How much more money did Mr. Allen earn on Friday than Tuesday? So we can use our rules to help us go through this. So let's see what we need to underline. So we've already underlined those two important details. That hot dogs were $3 and drinks are $2. My goodness, allergies. Okay, so it says how much more Friday than Tuesday. So I'm going to go through and circle those. Friday and Tuesday. Okay. So now what I need to do, I'm going to go ahead and skip this the strip diagram just because there's many steps on this. So now what I'm going to do is I need to know how much money he made on Tuesday and how much money he made on Friday. So on Tuesday, he sold 10 hot dogs at $3 each. So I'm going to do 10 times 3, which equals 30. And he also sold 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 drinks for $2 each. So 13 times 2 is 26. So I can add those two numbers together. So the amount of money he made on Tuesday was $56. Okay, now I need to figure out how much money he made on Friday. So he sold 5, 10, 15 hot dogs at $3 each, so $45. And he sold 5, 10, 15 drinks at $2 each, so $30. And when I add those together, 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 7. So the amount of money he made on Friday was $75. So now I want to know how much more. So all I'm going to do is subtract those two numbers. Now when I subtract, I want to make sure my largest number is on top. 5 minus 6, we can't do that, so I need to regroup. 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. So he made $19 more on Friday than he did on Tuesday. So go ahead and solve that second problem and make sure that all of Monday's work is done as well. I will leave this portion here in case you need to see it again. You're welcome to pause the video. I hope you have a lovely day. Be sure to get all of your work done. Thank you for your patience.